Hey tubes, Love the Boat 92 here. This is going to be a video on how to start this Harbor Freight pressure washer. First of all, what you want to do, connect your hose. Then you'll want to get all the air out. Sometimes what I'll do to speed up this process, I'll pull this thing off and it lets a lot more water go through. That should be good. Put the tip back on. Make sure you have oil in the pump, make sure you have oil in the engine, and gas in the gas tank. You have to hold this nozzle down to start it. Flip your on switch to on. I like to give it about half throttle. Make sure your choke is on. This is a cold start. This is your exhaust. Not hot at all. Fuel is on, choke is on, half throttle, and on-off switch is on, and give it a pull. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.